At Reliable Industries, our cutting-edge rug cleaning machine will have your area rugs looking and feeling brand new. First, your rug is put through a dusting and vacuuming system to remove any trapped hair, sand, dirt, and other loose contaminants. To tackle tough stains, area rugs are submerged in our soak tank where specialized detergents are added to loosen soils prior to washing. Once the soak is complete, we thoroughly wash, scrub, and pressure wash your rugs with our state-of-the-art cleaning system, providing an exceptionally deep clean compared to traditional methods. After your rug is thoroughly washed, it's then rinsed and spin-dried to flush any remaining dirt or detergents before air drying in our temperature-controlled room. This removes all moisture and ensures no odors remain post-clean. Our expert team will give your rug a final grooming and vacuum before being carefully packaged and delivered to your door. Revitalize your rugs and rejuvenate your home with Reliable Industries.